What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to another update, a rally update slash bull run update on MATIC. Covered this yesterday. Yesterday we called this move, or at least we talked about it, and now it has happened. We had a big bullish breakout above that 71 cents area right here. Also with the 200 EMA, broke above that, took a very minor bullish break retest, like off of this 0.5 FIB, which I mean, I didn't expect that we had. I thought we would pull back to 70 cents. Like when we got this bullish momentum, I did think we would get some more bullish momentum after that. But my personal buy area was like at 73, or let's say 0.703. So yeah, big bullish momentum. We'll talk a little bit about why it's happening, but more importantly, what's about to happen next, what's most likely to happen next, and how can you kind of make some money off of that, or at least anticipate that and know what's going on. So yeah, that's what we'll do in this video. Before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals, but also just updates on the market from me, like updates on MATIC live, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll actually be able to find out find how to join. But now into MATIC. So first of all, like there's quite a lot going on with POLYGON right now, which is the blockchain behind MATIC, as most of you know, hopefully. They're doing some big infrastructure upgrades. You can also see that the volume right now is pretty great. So like the volume is around $540 million. Compare that to the rest of the markets, and it's it's where it should be, but the volume has been way lower before, so it's good to see it back at these levels. And then apart from that, technically, this looks amazing. Like what we said yesterday, to start off with a brief recap of that, is that we would probably drop down. I said we would drop down a little bit lower, like 66 cents. We dropped down to a 671. So a little bit higher we stopped, and then from there the bullish momentum started. And then the big confirmation really came when we broke above this entire level again. You could have already seen this coming because of that, because of those fundamentals behind POLYGON, those upgrades, and that news that they're developing right now. Usually that causes some bullish momentum until it's over. And then apart from that, I mean, if you take a look at these charts right here, you can clearly see, even with this, even without that bullish breakout, you can clearly see that we were making, or at least getting, some bullish momentum all the way right here. We already broke above that 70 cents level once, and we also respected it then, or at least we respected the 200 EMA. The only reason back then we weren't able to continue that push is because of bearish momentum from Bitcoin. And now we actually expected bullish momentum from Bitcoin. That's also what we talked about yesterday. And that allowed us to get this push. Now, the thing is that there's quite a lot of resistance right here at around 75, 76 cents. So I do expect a pullback. A pullback like this, down to this level around 71 and 70 cents. And then the big question is well, will we actually be able to hold that? Because if we can hold this and actually consolidate from here, then we can actually also push above 76 cents and get up to that 82, 84 cents level. At this point of time, I would actually say that this is the most likely scenario, because there's quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. And I do have to say that even though I think this is the most likely scenario, we might see quite a bit of consolidation here in this area first. It does largely depend though on the inflation rate, which is coming tomorrow. And the main site I use for that, to actually show you that, has been under maintenance for the entire morning. But we have the inflation rate tomorrow. That is going to influence this a lot, because if the inflation rate is way lower than expected, we will just do this instantly, I would say. And if it's way higher than expected, then there's a possibility that we get a bearish breakout through 70 cents again, and that all of a sudden we are consolidating down here again. It's a possibility. I still, under those circumstances, I still think this is the most likely scenario, including a consolidation first between 76 and 70 cents. However, you should know what's coming, right? So that's my take on MATIC for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.